In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a salary slip in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening Excel to a blank workbook and setting up a clean structure. Widen a few columns so there's room for headings and amounts, and leave space at the top for a clear title and the pay period. Laying out the page first makes the rest of the process smooth and readable. Create the core sections you'll need: company name, employee details, income, and deductions. Type the company name prominently in the header and format it slightly larger so it stands out. Below that, add employee fields such as name, ID, designation, department, and month or pay date. A simple layout works best. Keep labels in one column and the corresponding values in the next so everything lines up neatly. With the structure ready, enter the salary data. In the income section, add rows for basic salary, house rent allowance, dearness allowance, and transportation allowance. In the deduction section, include lines for provident fund and income tax. Apply currency formatting to all amount cells and align numbers to the right for better readability. Next, calculate the gross pay by summing all income components. In the gross pay cell, use a sum formula over your income range. If you add or remove allowances later, the total updates automatically, which keeps the slip accurate without extra work. For deductions, calculate any percentage-based items directly in the sheet. If Provident Fund is a percentage of basic salary, multiply the basic salary cell by the PF rate. Do the same for income tax if it's a percentage of gross or taxable income based on your policy. Place the rates in their own cells, format them as percentages, and reference them in your formulas using absolute references so you can change rates without rewriting formulas. Total your deductions, then calculate the net salary by subtracting total deductions from gross pay. Format the net salary so it stands out. Bold text or a light fill color helps the final figure catch the eye. Now refine the layout and add light automation. Use borders to define sections, align text and numbers consistently, and add subtle shading to headers for contrast. Consider naming key cells like basic or gross, so formulas are easier to read and maintain. Once set up, you can reuse this sheet as a template and simply replace the employee details and amounts each period. Finally, prepare it for printing. Set the print area to cover the slip, choose fit to one page, adjust margins, and add a simple footer with the pay period if needed. Preview before printing, and you're done. A clear professional salary slip ready to share.